Hello everyone, hope all is well today. My name is Gilles Lamotte and today we'll learn to get started with R. R is a command-based language, so this means that we need to enter commands. I'll show you one way to do this. For example, if you get started with R, you'll see two windows. One is called the R GUI, and within it you'll see another window called R console. So I'm moving the R console right now, and so there's a little red arrow. This is called the R prompt, and we enter our commands at the prompt. For example, let's say that I want to do a little numerical computation. Maybe I want to compute the log of 5, so I'll enter log of 5. Maybe I want to take away 2.5 squared from this, and then as I press enter, R does the computation for us. Of course, we're going to use R to do much more than simple calculations or computations. R is mainly for statistical computation, and so what I'll do today is show you how to enter a very small data set. R has we can create objects called vectors inside of R. These vectors can be numerical or categorical depending on the nature of our variables. So for example, let's say that I have 3 subjects. I computed the blood pressure for each one of them, so I'm going to create a vector. I'm going to call it, or give it the name that I want, so I'll call it BP for blood pressure, and then I'm going to use the equal sign to do an assignment, and then I'll use a function called C to combine things together. So C is for combining. And so for example, let's say that my first subject had a blood pressure of 112, maybe the second subject has a blood pressure of 125, and a third had blood pressure, maybe a high blood pressure of 161. And as I press enter, R created a vector of length 3. And if I want to display this vector, I can write BP, and this will display the vector. Maybe I'm interested in entering a categorical variable. For example, let's say that I have the name of my subjects. So I'll construct a vector called subject. I'll use the equal sign for assignment. C is for combining things. And then I'm going to enter the names of my subjects. So let's say I have Alice. Let's say I have Bob, which is a second. And then let's say that I have Céline. And then I create a, I forgot to, so here the plus sign just means that we're missing something, so I'll just close or stop, and then I'll reconstruct. So with the arrow key I can recall an old command, and here what's missing is my quotation marks. And then I get subject displayed, and then there we see our 3 subjects. To show the list of objects that we created, we can use a command called ls, and then with parentheses. This will show us the vectors that we created, and we can also use the command called rm to remove any of them. So let's say that I want to remove the vector of subjects, so I rm subject, and now if I show the list, and I only have one vector that I can display, and this is my numerical vector. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.